Floyd Shivambu's leadership skills are around gossip. These are the words uttered by Nolubabalo Mcinga, who has just been removed as Afrika Mayibuye's deputy president. Let us listen to her.
And I told them that this is what we're going to do, this is what we're going to do. And I can't just leave my constituency like that.
Okay. And Floyd?
I'm very disappointed in his leadership. I really had high regard. His leadership skills are around gossip, you know, and I think he's a coward. He can't face women. I mean, he could have called me and sat down with me to have a one-on-one and spoke to me like when he asked me to come and start a party. But when I wanted one-on-ones with him, he said, no, he can't meet me one-on-ones. When I saw that there's some funny things going on in the organization.
Like what?
They'll have